Good morning, students. Let us start grade 10th chapter 2 polynomials. Students, our today's topic is how to find out zeros in case of biquadratic polynomial whenever two zeros are given. We already know biquadratic polynomial are those polynomial whose having highest degree 4. So see how we can find out the zeros in case of biquadratic polynomial whenever two zeros are given. So see, by this question, obtain all zeros of the polynomial f of x which is equals to x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus x square or x to the power 2 plus 9x minus 6 if two of its zeros are minus root 3 as well as plus root 3. It means, students, two zeros are already given to us and we have to find out rest of the two zeros. So here we are, solution. See, how can we? Given, what is given to us? Given polynomial, that is what? F of x, which is equals to x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2 plus 9x minus 6. Since whatever our zeros, since minus root 3 comma or root 3 are zeros of a given polynomial, what is your polynomial? What is our polynomial? That is what? F of x. So see, if minus root 3 is 0, it means I am writing here x plus root 3 is what factor, and this if root 3, so I am writing x minus root 3 are what, guys? Are factors of f of x. See, if these two are factors, so let it be solve. A plus b, a minus b, so that is a square minus b square, that is root 3 square, are factors, are also factors of f of x. So it further implies that x square minus, see, square root and square cancel itself, we are left with 3. So x square minus 3 are factors of f of x. So see, we have factors already now. In order to find out, find other factors or zeros, other factors, if we write factors, it's not a big deal, so we can write this as well, because after factors we get our zeros. In order to find other factors, let us divide given polynomial, that is what? Given polynomial, that is f of x by x square minus 3. So see, how can we divide? See here. So very first we have to write our polynomial. Be careful whenever you write your polynomial. So this is what? X to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus x square plus 9x minus 6. And the factors are x square minus 3. So see, students, how we can solve x square, and here is x to the power 4. If we multiply by x square, so see, this is your rough side. So x square on multiplication, x square minus 3, because if we multiply a number by this, so by the condition we have to multiply by minus 3 as well. So see, these two are multiply or on multiplying, we are left with x to the power 4 minus 3x square. So here I am writing x to the power 4. Below square, I am eligible to write square only below square. So here is 3x square. So this is plus, convert minus, minus becomes plus. So now this plus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 cancel itself. So here is minus 3x cube. So I have to write this as such. Then see, plus 3x square minus x square. We are left with 2x square. Then plus 9x minus 6. See, students, now we want minus 3x cube. But here we have x square. So it means we have to multiply by minus 3x by x square minus 3. See, so this minus 3x multiply x square, we get minus 3x cube, and this 3x minus 3x into minus 3, we get plus minus minus plus 9x. So let it be right at their places. So here we are minus 3x cube plus 9x. So by the rule, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Now minus 3x cube plus 3 minus 3x power 3 plus 3x to the power 3 cancel itself, plus 9x minus 9x cancel itself. So here we have 2x square minus 6. So student, here is x square, but our priority is 2x square. It means we have to multiply by 2. So 2 into x square minus 3. So see, on multiplication 2x square, and this multiply 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6. So I am writing this. See, this is plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. 2x square minus 2x square cancel itself, minus 6 plus 6 cancel itself, we left with our remainder 0. Students, as we know that, otherwise we already know that one result, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let us solve, or let us use this result. Dividend is what? Dividend is our biquadratic polynomial, and that we already call or said f of x. F of x. So f of x is equals to divisor. Divisor is, students, x square minus 3 into quotient. Quotient. See, quotient I am not writing here, but it is here. There is minus 3x by the rule, and there is plus 2. So be careful whenever you multiply by the terms at your f sides. So you have to write this at your proper place. That becomes your quotient. So be careful, students. Then x square minus 3. So what is our quotient? That is x square minus 3x plus 2, and plus remainder is our 0. So it further implies that f of x is equals to what? X square minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 2. So see, students, this are the factor. X square minus 3 is factor that we get from our given zeros, but this factor is new to us, and we have to split this factor by midterm splitting method, because this is what? This is quadratic polynomials. So let it be solved. X square minus 3. So by the rule, students, what we get, guys, sum is equals to minus 3x, and students product is equals to 2x square. So by the rule, we have to split 2. So 2 we can split in such a way, 2 ones are 2. So we have to shuffle 2 and 1 in such a way, we get our sum minus 3x as well as our product plus 2x square. So see how x square at the place minus, so minus 2x minus 1x, minus 2x minus 1x is minus 3x, and all multiplication it is 2x square plus 2 at the place. So see, we can solve this. It further implies f of x is equals to what? X square minus 3 into x square minus 3 into, see, out of these two, x is common to us. So here is what? X minus 2. So out of these two, minus 1 is common to us. Here is what? X. I am taking minus 1 outside. So inside the bracket it comes minus 2. So see, x square minus 3 into x minus 2 is again common, students. If x minus 2 is common, so this x is left inside, and this is already common, so minus 1 is left inside. So students, we are left with all our required factors, but we are interested to find out what? We are interested to find out our zeros. In order to find out our zeros, let we write here 4 zeros. Let polynomial, that is f of x, is equals to 0. So it further implies that x square minus 3 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to what? 0. So it further implies that x square minus 3 is equals to 0. Mark one line, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Mark another line, x minus 1 also equal to 0. See, students, here carefully, x square is equals to what? This minus 3 goes to other side, become plus 3. So let it be solved very first. X is equals to what? We knows that when it goes to other side, it becomes plus minus root 3. And we can write this is equals to minus root 3 comma plus root 3. So here we are, x is equals to 2 students and this x is equals to 1 students. So whatever required 0 students, so I am writing here by making the space this. Therefore minus root 3 comma root 3 comma 1 comma 2 are required zeros of f of x. That is what? Our biquadratic polynomial. So students, this is the way to solve this question belongs to biquadratic polynomial. Hope you understand the way. Try to solve the same questions at your home. Till then, bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.